Experience the ultimate TV display with the LG OLED TV. It's a picture so real, it exceeds even your wildest imagination. Enjoy a vibrant palette with a brighter color range and superior accuracy, giving OLED a giant step ahead of conventional LED screens. The higher the contrast ratio, the better the color spectrum, and infinite has been impossible until now. Enjoy deeper, richer color contrast, ranging from blazing hot whites to pitch dark blacks, and a graceful view-enhancing curve for a stylish fit into any home decor. As the world's first curved OLED TV, it not only looks breathtaking, but delivers the most natural and immersive way to watch your favorite content. It's a brilliant yet simple design that's incredibly lightweight and an unbelievable 0.17 inches at its thinnest point, even thinner than most smartphones. Enjoy clearer and more consistent picture quality at wide viewing angles compared to conventional TV screens. So no matter how many guests you invite over, everyone can enjoy the same great picture at virtually any angle, regardless of where they sit. Make TV easy again with LG Smart TV, powered by WebOS. Move seamlessly between content with the intuitive launcher bar. And instantly download fun and useful apps and games from the LG store. Even access content from premium providers like Netflix, YouTube, and MGO. Reinvent how you watch TV with the LG OLED, a TV that defies all explanation and must be experienced to be believed.